Hello everyone. Department of Digital and Cyber Forensic Science and PG Cybersecurity conducting 2-day national level conference on 6th and 7th based on data security.
Data security is the practice of protecting information from unauthorized access.
There are different types of data security threats like human error, physical theft, and cyber attacks.
Cybersecurity experts, professionals, and stakeholders to come together and address the evolving landscape of cybersecurity threats.
Join us at the Data Security Conference 2023 and become an integral part of a movement to secure a digital future.
This conference is designed to give a comprehensive overview of the cybersecurity industry from the latest threats to the best defense mechanisms.
We all are excited and eagerly waiting for this national level conference.